What is R, or how R started? R was developed initially by two guys for New Zealand University, Ross and Robert, and initials of these names is the name of the program. And it took quite a lot of time to get to the first version, to a stable version, but actually the software got traction in academic community more and more and more, and today there are about 2 million users of R, and it's an open source software. It can be distributed for free, and because of popularity it got attention also from the commercial world. So one of the important company, Revolution Analytics, was founded but then acquired by Microsoft, did a lot of services and a lot of additional packages. These are the parts of the R. And in the last few years, big names in database business integrated R into their software. So an important part of this process happened in 2016, where Microsoft released SQL 2016, which can integrate R services. This is easily installable option in SQL Server Standard Edition already. And I think in November 2015, Power BI got the preview option of R, and now it's a standard option in R. So let's say what R is not. R is not a database. It doesn't have a database. It has a very weak user interface, and it doesn't have a spreadsheet view or something that we are used to when we are working with the data. But on the other side, what R is, we could easily say that R is Wikipedia for statistical functions or statistical problems, if you want to say. So it offers a really, really good choice of software that can implement it to address any issue.